Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Residents of Afam community in Oyigbo local government area of Rivers State have appealed to the Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC to recommence work on the stalled Oyigbo Cottage Hospital project, which it awarded many years ago. Correspondent Biola Festus reports that when completed, the stalled project will improve quality of life in Afam and its neighboring communities in Oyigbo local government area.
In 2011, the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) awarded a contract for the construction of a cottage hospital in Okoloma, Afam, in Oyigbo local government area of Rivers State to provide the community access to affordable health care. The project, which is the first and only government-funded hospital in the community, had progressed to about 70% completion stage before it became stalled, for what residents blamed on the contractor's sudden disappearance from site. Distraught residents of Afam community said they are compelled to travel some 40 kilometers to Port Harcourt for medical attention in government-owned hospitals, as they cannot afford high cost of treatment in private hospitals in their immediate vicinity. They are therefore appealing to the new NDDC management to revisit the project with a view to completing it as soon as possible.
It's necessary to have a government hospital in Afam, because people here now are populated, and sometimes people will be sick before they carry them to Port Harcourt. Maybe the person will faint or any other thing.
We hail all forms of hazard from the emission of the gas and every other thing. The environment is polluted, our rivers are polluted with oil spillage. So if this is completed, it will help to save us.
The Oyigbo Cottage Hospital project was designed as a standard medical center with administrative block, staff quarters, mortuary, car park, security and generator house. When Inside the Niger Delta visited the facility, it was discovered that it had been taken over by a private security outfit identified as Red Zone Marine. The community had consented to the occupation of the proposed cottage hospital project to protect it from vandals, while efforts were made to ensure its completion.
I have to sign a letter through my office with the convener of the primary of Okoloma community. Now give those people to be stay to protect this property.
For Afam residents, the proposed cottage hospital is an all-important project that promises to make a difference in their lives. For this reason, they have vowed to support the NDDC to ensure that the project is completed as soon as possible.
Even NDDC want to come tomorrow morning, they want to start this project. We'll give them all the necessary supports they needed. No youth, nobody will come to stop them because we need it.
NDDC, we are hearing all you have been helping other communities, other places. Come and help people of Afam.
When completed, the Oyigbo Cottage Hospital will have the capacity to provide quality and affordable health care to the entire Oyigbo local government area, as well as neighboring communities in Abia State.
Inside the Niger Delta.